In a block-made world, anything is possible. Imagine the limitless horizon with unrobbed wilderness waiting for you, from the snowy peaks of mountains to the darkest underground caverns. Today we are covering what is Minecraft. So back in 2009, a version of the game Minecraft went online for PC gamers to try out. The basic mechanic though is that you wander through this world and break down resources that you find, which allows you to build your own structures, weapons, etc. There are 5 modes that you can play in the game. The first is survival, where you have a life bar and you must find resources and build while also being on the lookout for enemies. If you want to just build, which many players do, you can play via the creative mode, which gives you access to all the resources in the game. The third mode is called adventure mode, where you can build or experience adventures built by other players. Spectator mode, where you can visit maps without fear as you're not interacting with their world at all. This is best if you just want to see fun creations and wander through the maps. Hardcore mode is locked at the hardest difficulty level, meaning enemies hit harder, hunger depletes faster, and surviving becomes far more difficult. Multiplayer mode in Minecraft allows players to connect with others online, opening up a world of collaborative building, adventuring, and competition. Whether you're teaming up with friends to build massive cities, or completing challenges together, MonoVM's Minecraft server is where you make the rules. So grab your pickaxe, gear up for battle, and get ready for a journey. In Minecraft, there is only one limit: your imagination. And at MonoVM's Minecraft server, imagination becomes the reality.